Nestled on the outskirts of Nairobi, Kenya, Giraffe Manor is a dream destination for many travelers. Here's what it's like to visit Giraffe Manor solo. Giraffe Manor's ivy-covered facade is like something out of a movie, and in this movie, you're the main character. Once you check into your well-appointed room, it's time to enjoy lunch. Weather permitting, meals are served in the outdoor courtyard. There are tables in a variety of sizes, and on my visit to Giraffe Manor, I was shown a two-top right in the center of the courtyard. There's no stuffing the solo traveler in an awkward table by the kitchen door here. Each room is assigned a waiter, and your waiter will take care of you throughout your stay. They'll serve you at meal times, walk you to the nearby giraffe center, be your personal photographer at tea time, check to make sure the giraffes have visited your room in the morning, and anything else you might need throughout your stay. Local area transportation is included, but I chose to stay on the manor because I wanted to make the most of my time there. However, it is wonderful to know that you've got a safe mode of transportation should you choose to leave the manor, especially as a solo traveler. Plan to be back in the manor by 5 p.m. because afternoon tea awaits, and so do the giraffes. This is a delightful time to feed the giraffes as they wander back to the manor from the giraffe center looking for treats. The tea includes an assortment of pastries, cakes, and sandwiches, making it quintessentially a British experience. But the delicious spread largely went ignored as we all clamored to feed the giraffes and take photos. The staff is excellent not only at managing the small crowd, but ensuring that everyone got equal time with the giraffes and plenty of pictures. My waiter took a few hundred photos and a bunch of videos of me with the giraffes during tea time. And they're good photos too. I was absolutely thrilled with the variety of angles and giraffe interactions captured. As a solo traveler, I had wondered how I was going to be able to get some good photos of myself with the giraffes, and I had nothing to fear. One of the most magical aspects of staying at Giraffe Manor is waking up to the sight of giraffes grazing outside your window. Giraffe food is provided in your room, and you'll have a giraffe, or two, or three, all to yourself as you shovel treats into their eager mouth. This is one time where you won't have your waiter acting as your photographer, but I simply set my phone in video mode and propped it against my water bottle to let it record the magical moment. After the giraffe's breakfast, it's time for yours. Get ready for the day and head to the breakfast room, where you might find a giraffe or two poking their heads into the dining room, eager for some more treats. It's an extraordinary experience to hand feed these gentle giants while enjoying your coffee. And of course, your waiter will be on hand, not only to help you feed the giraffes and take photos, but to make sure that you've eaten too, because it's easy to forget when it's so much fun to feed the giraffes. After breakfast, it's sadly time to check out of Giraffe Manor. Giraffe Manor is a luxury destination, and the experience comes with a price tag to match. However, the cost includes more than just the accommodation. You get all meals, afternoon tea, airport transfers, and entrance to the Giraffe Center. Of course, as a single traveler, the price is painful because there is a single supplement. Expect to pay about $1,800 all inclusive as a solo traveler for a one-night stay. While Giraffe Manor certainly is a splurge, I found the experience well worth the cost.